Good morning pa naman. But I'm happy and proud, at the same time humbled to be with famous designers of the Philippines. Yung ating mga magagaling na designers ay nagpangipangita dito sa makasaysayang Manila Hotel. And we are also excited as a city government, especially yung aming director ng tourism, si dating Congressman Crystal Bagatsing. Kita niyo naman, tourist director pa lang namin, maganda na, pandayo na. But we are very excited simply because, especially nowadays, hirap na